Hi, today I'm going to show you how to hook up your Ingenico IPP320 Card terminal device. Your terminal will have come with a combination data and power cable. On one end, you have a port that looks like an HDMI plug with a funny little back on it. And on the other end, you will have an Ethernet cable with an adapted power plug. Go ahead and get the HDMI cable looking plug plugged into the port on the back of your terminal device. Right there in the top, it'll fit in nice and snug. Then go ahead and get that Ethernet cable plugged into your network switch. Now you may have a router or a modem with multiple plugs, but mine only has one, so I'll need to use this switch. After that, go ahead and get your power cable plugged into your AC power plug. You wait a few moments and your terminal will turn on. After it goes through the boot up sequence, you will be displayed with an activation code that you can provide to your Domico technician so we can get everything activated and get your DomicoPay up and running. Now, if you've never hooked up a network switch before, it can be very simple. What you will find behind your computer is your internet modem that has a single port with an Ethernet cable plugging right into your computer. What you will do is you will remove the cable from the back of your computer and plug it into your network switch. Then you will find another cable to go from your network switch right back into your computer. What this does is it takes the internet connection from your modem to the switch and will allow you to connect multiple devices. One cable goes back to your computer, and then you'll have multiple open cables or open ports where you will be able to attach the DomicoPay terminal cable.